Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We are doing like this blueberry cutesy vibe set today. We are actually doing a press on set. So shout out to my girl Melissa. You are giving me everything in the comments and I appreciate you. You are asking and I'm delivering, hopefully. Hopefully, let me know what you think. This is especially for you. This is just for Melissa. Everyone click off immediately. No, I'm joking. So I need to lock in and concentrate. So we don't want to be extra and we did not want to buff the shine off the entire nail. It's not a tip. I'm having a brain fart. I'm going to insert what this is. It's just like a full cover tip. There we go. It's there. Can you tell I haven't done a voiceover in like a week? Yeah. So we are going in. So we did, like I said, we didn't want to be extra and buff anything. We just went in straight with the product. And this doesn't have a number. I have used this in my last set that I did. So she's not opaque. She needs so many layers, so much love and attention. And here we are after, no lie, like 4 layers. And she was thick. She was a little thicky. And I'm like, I was so nervous right off the bat. I was like, this is going to be so thick around the cuticles. And we've got more layers to go. Like, I was like so stressed. And I didn't want to file it off because I just didn't want more work for myself with it. So for the first nail, I'm just painting like a French design, and it's kind of a little bit easier on, as you can see, I'm just like twisting it around. And if you were doing this on yourself or a client, you couldn't really do that. So I didn't like wipe any tacky layer off the new gel polish. I just went in straight with the CJP, I think it's called Daisy, this like cute pastel yellow. And I do believe that I only did 1 layer of the yellow on this particular like nail because I felt like it was enough. So I did a full cure of 60 seconds and then I don't know why I didn't record it, but I did just some like dots of the dark blue, and then I went in with a dark blue and a white and just mixed it up to make a lighter version, and then just dotted kind of over it but making sure it doesn't cover the entire nail, just to add some like, I don't know, just like depth, dimension, I don't know, just to make it look a little bit more realistic, I guess. So I do just flash cure in between like the blueberry nails. I can't even talk. Ugh. So I do flash cure in between, and then I do add like another bit of dark blue just to like, it's for like the tops of the blueberries. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Is everyone with me? It's just to make it look a bit more realistic, but they were so small, it's so hard to tell. Like at this point when I was doing this nail art, I was like, do I need glasses? Can everyone see what I'm doing? Can we see the design? I don't know. I don't know how my head wasn't like in like 2 inches of this nail. I don't know, because I feel like I could barely see what I was doing. This is given like, I feel like it's given, do you remember, or does anyone know of like the fruity wallpaper that they used to have? Was it like back in the 1940s? Or 50, I don't know, but like it's given that. It's given like grandma in a cottage in England with fruit like wallpaper in her kitchen, and that's what it's given. I'm gonna put an example. $175 excuse me, for that horrible wallpaper? Stop. Vintage can go fuck themselves. $175. Absolutely not. We'll just stick to putting it on our nails. Thank you. Next. So I am just adding this like really nice dark olivey green colour for the like little leaves, and moving on to the next nail. So this like this took me at least 6 attempts, and I tried to steal it from myself from the previous design, and this bitch still couldn't get it right after like 6 attempts. I almost like threw like a massive tantrum. I was so annoyed, like a big adult sized tantrum. I was so mad. If this was a client, I'd be like, we're done here. Like, it's time to move on. You can change your mind and have a different design, it's fine. I did like want to use like lacy foils, but I don't know, I just didn't end up. I don't think I've used foils on any of my videos, so maybe that's like something I can incorporate in my design. Maybe. So I think this like particular set, it's given very like clean girl aesthetic vibes. Like, there's no 3D, there's no bling, like it's just like very subtle, delicate, like dainty, feminine, grandma in the cottage in England with her $175 wallpaper, thinking she's all that. Grandma, calm down. So like, I hope everyone's having a good week. I'm starting to like stress major because we've done no holiday prep. We go away in less than 2 weeks, and I haven't packed my suitcase, or my son hasn't packed his. We're just being like super nonchalant attitude, like we'll do it tomorrow, and then tomorrow like, oh, but we'll do it the next day because like there's so much going on. I've been super busy like with my little hobbies as well, like each evening. I think I've been doing about four nights a week, and I don't know, do you want to see that? Do you want to see me make an ass of myself? Of course you do. It looks like I'm waiting for a bus. Okay, everyone shut up, I'm about to start. I'm so scared. Honestly, that's enough of the shenanigans. I don't want to see any more. The shit I put on this fucking app, the shit I put up on this YouTube is very questionable. The things I do for you guys. So I'm obviously not a dancer. Like, I just do it for like exercise, and like it's actually dead funny. We did like a spin and about 4 of us fell, and it was so funny. But some of them are dancers, and like they're in their 20s, no kids, and there's me just like living my best life. So on that the clip that I've just shown you, I was like super locked in and was trying to just remember the moves. You've got to remember like that each step's like where it is in the song, like at what point, because we were doing it to like a Beyonce song, and you have to like remember which part to move on. So I was like super locked in, but then once I got the choreography, I can't even speak, like that's when I was giving it more sass and being more aggressive. And so that first clip that I shown you, I was looking a bit like, I don't even know. I have no words. No one say anything. Don't say anything. I can't even take it out now because I've just dedicated so much of this video to it, and I'm gonna have to redo everything, and it's been a week since I posted. So we're all just gonna move on and pretend like I didn't put that on there. So that's the shenanigans I get up to on a weekly basis. So we all have established that I don't just make an absolute tit of myself on here. We do it like everywhere, every opportunity. I'm doing it. It's kind of weird as well because I just feel like I thrive in like making a tit of myself. Like, I wonder what the psychology is behind that. What does that mean? I might AI it and just try and figure it out. We can't afford a psychologist. We have to figure it out ourselves. So definitely highly recommend though, like don't take life too serious. Remember to have fun and just like enjoy being silly, being like not childish, but like just being, it keeps you young, I think, just being silly and not taking anything too serious. Obviously there's a time and a place, totally get that. And the time and the place is for me to get back onto the nail art. So we are doing the pinky nail. We're just doing like a little polka dot design. Again, we're just curing between each of the layers. Look at me acting like I just didn't expose myself dancing. Like who do I think I am? So here is the colour, Daisy as well. So at this point we was just like, it's taken too long doing one nail at a time. So I painted that full cover tip, put it in the lamp, and then we've moved on to the other French design because we needed to speed it up. It was taking too long, and I don't know why I didn't do it from the start, because yeah, it takes a while for things to like go into my brain, and then I'm like, yeah, let's go, that's a great idea, when most people just do that from the start to speed it up. So I am currently doing the thumbnail, and it's exactly the same design as the middle finger. So I just paint the yellow French and then do a full cure of 60 seconds, go in with another layer of French because it just wasn't it, and it needed more. So went in again, obviously cleaning up as I go to try and keep that shape, and again did the like little dots or whatever, exact same as the middle. And again I'm going in with my second layer. So at this point as well, like that nail that I've just painted has had like 6 layers of gel polish on it. She thick. So yeah, so I know it's weird, but I will be fluctuating between the last 2 nails because like I said, we just needed to speed it up. I did want to go in and quickly announce the binge watch hours giveaway before this video ends. So for this week's winner is Candy. I will put up all your stuff on screen as I've watched your videos, and thank you for entering and being a supporter of me, and I love to just like support back or whatever. So if you do have your own channel, you just have to like this video, be a public subscriber, give me blueberry and lemon emojis, and tell me which one's your favourite nail to be entered into the next binge watch hours giveaway. So yeah, just with my 25mm liner brush, I'm just going in with white and just paint like little pretty stripes. Super cute. This also gives me like wallpaper vibes that we were discussing earlier on. It's really cute though. I think this is probably my favourite nail. If I'd have done the blueberries a lot bigger, I'd have been like so happy. But, you know, it's not always perfect. So this is actually the next day, and I've just top coated the nails. Look what I nearly put on my cuticles. Bloody teeth whitener. Honestly. That'd be dangerous. So I'm just rehydrating my cuticles, and these are the results. How cute. How cute. The process was a struggle, but look, we got there. And they're cute. I feel like they look better in the photo than they do here. I don't know why, but thank you so much for watching. It keeps me consistent with practicing nails, and I always have a great time with you guys. So thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.